You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is w greater than -5/8. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 3/8 from both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is w greater than -5/8.